It's been a long time since the last mail time, so I'm going to do a mail time today. The first we have is Thomas, Percy, Rebecca and James pack. Next box, 2 more of the same. So we have 3. Another one. And the next box, two more. Wow. And another one. So we have 7 boxes of Thomas, Percy, Rebecca and James for custom models. Yeah, this will be nice for custom. Also James, maybe Percy. And this for sale. Now this large box from Target. Oh, well, look at that. Brand new hyper glow station. Does Thomas glows up in? Yes. Yeah, I remember that one. Glow in the dark Thomas. Right, now the small boxes. Well, look at that. Thomas, motorized Thomas. This one good for custom models. Yep. Okay. What's in here? Thomas, Henry, Bash, Gordon, another Thomas. Oh, flip face James. Yep, Henry, Bash. This is Bash? Dash. And flip face James. As I thought. Oh, yeah, flip face James. Nice for restoration. Needs some wiring. Gordon is broken coupler. Thomas, it's okay. Another Thomas. Oh, does have battery. Henry working. And Dash is not working. Next. Looking good. Forgot the other one now. Okay, here is one kind of what's this? Celebration Thomas or something? Is this a custom sticker? Yeah, I think it's custom. I don't know. Percy, some cars, another Percy, Trackmaster Revolution. Ooh, good for Timothy the Ghost engine. I'm about to start making some more Timothy the Ghost engines. A lot of people asking for Timothy's. Okay, next. That one looks nice. So, what's this? Plarail from Steam Alone engines. And we have diesel 10. Let me see, one troublesome truck, another troublesome truck, a lady. Oh, looks really nice and clean. And Percy. Unfortunately, I have no time to test this engine, so that will be for the next videos. We got a lot of those. And the hyper glow station from Tomas and Friends. And a baby Thomas for customizing. Bye.